Hi, thank you for using X-Securitas Watermark products. In this video, I will briefly explain using the policy server and installing the agent. The policy server address is ent.xsecuritas.com. Please input the account after accessing the policy server. If you do not have an account, please get an account from the provider. Check the product type, expiration date, and license quantity on the policy server's home page. Now, select the logon method from the Agent Logon Method menu. We choose the Active Directory logon method here. If you select when ADSSO login is selected, automatically register the user account to the server each time the agent is launched. The logon username and department are automatically registered in the database. Click the Save button to save the changes. A password is required to close or uninstall the agent. Specify this password in the Exit/Uninstall Password window. Please install the agent on the user's PC or VDI server. The user is now logged on with an Active Directory account. You can see that a watermark is displayed on the user's PC. Also, if you look at the Manage Organization/User menu in the policy server, you can see that the organization unit in Active Directory is used as the department code. You can see that this is the same as the OU structure of the AD server. When a user tries to close or uninstall the agent, the user is prompted for a password. The agent cannot be closed or uninstalled without knowing the password. This password can be changed in the system configuration-exit/uninstall password of the policy server. We will explain how to change the administrator ID of the policy server. You will receive an administrator ID from X-Securitas to test@test.com. You may want to change this. To change the account, click the gear icon on the left menu in the System Configuration menu. Click the Change Main Administrator button on this screen to create a new account. In this case, the existing account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.